Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, check it out. The latest Christmas present, the Blue Island Kids Swing. Today we are going to do a quick little review of this and I'll give you some tips, some advice, and what I think about this guy so far. So here's what came in the kit here. And it's got these nice orange black straps we attached. These came with it and we already put these guys on right here. And I'll kind of just show you real quickly what this looks like. So if I pull this up. So all we had to do was kind of put these guys together. These 4 black poles just slide in right here. We put those together, line up the holes, and then this little eyelet goes through here and you put the screw on here. So I should say a bolt. This bolt right here, they give you a little wrench. I would strongly advise that if you have a socket set like something like this, I would grab one of these. This is a size 13 that you'll need for this. By the way, if you don't know this trick in life, this is an awesome one if you put a lot of things together. This is the 13 with a little bit of an extension, and then you can buy one of these little guys for super cheap, put it into your electric drill, and now instead of wrenching away at this kind of stuff, you can just do that super fast. That's a great trick. All right, let's come back over here. Here's the instructions, and I'll kind of show you what I found on these guys here. So the warranty, by the way, I kind of liked this little page that they gave right here. They're saying, hey, if we did a good job, please go on Amazon and leave a review for us. If we didn't do a great job, please contact us and let us know. I kind of smiled when I saw that because I was thinking that, you know, even if it's out of warranty, if for some reason this thing is not meeting my satisfaction, I'm going to call them up and be like, look, if you wanted me to give you an honest review on Amazon, I will. Also, I'll be honest with it on my reviews. But it might look a lot better for you if you sent me a new one or if you fixed it, and then I could say that, hey, it was even out of warranty, and they were kind enough to help me out with the limited warranty. You can see here it does have a limited warranty. Some of the things are for 1 year, some are for 6 months. Hopefully we won't need any of that. Here's some more of our paperwork. Some of the instructions weren't that detailed, but overall, it's not bad. Here's one thing to kind of keep in mind. They have this little formula here. So here are the 2 ropes that are going to be going up to our tree. And basically, they came up with this formula to kind of show that we want the distance where these connect to the tree to be slightly wider than the actual swing base. So the swing base is something like 25.5 inches. And they have this fancy formula basically to make it a few inches wider at the top. And if it's taller going up to that tree, you're going to add on some inches. If it's lower, you're going to take away a few using this formula here. They show you how to adjust the ropes and some warnings, of course, to be safe, where and how. I strongly advise reading all the instructions as well as the safety instructions before installing this guy. That way we'll make sure our kids are safe. All right, we're giving it the 2-kid test. So far, so good. It looks like this guy is a definite thumbs up. Very cool. Seems like it's built pretty sturdy and lots of fun on this one. So friends, as far as what came in the kit, everything was in here that I actually needed, including these orange straps that are up in here connecting to our tree, these carabiner, and the black strap here, which has a really easy adjustment right here to go higher or lower. That way, if these ropes stretch a little bit, we could easily raise it a few inches. The only adjustment I made was I got out my ratchet set and my drill so that I could do this a little bit faster and easier. They did give a wrench with the set, but again, if you have a setup like this, I would recommend that. All right, guys, listen, check out the description below. I'll put some information on this, including a link on how you can purchase this. And if you like the video, give us that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.